Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog. Luluto tayo ng meatloaf. We're going to make meatloaf for tonight's supper. Ang ingredients niya ay chopped onions and garlic. Oh, that's a lot of onions. Oh gosh. Mangangamoy na tayong nito. And we're going to put Dijon mustard. A little bit of everything. And then paprika. Chamba-chamba lang to, guys. Hindi ko minemeasure. Oh, that's a lot of paprika.
First time to make.
No, it's not first time. I don't know what's this leaf. I think it's marjoram. Basta.
Spell.
Mga herbs na lang yan. Walang measure, guys. And then, parsley. Dried parsley. And then, I also put some sweet green relish. Okay, tatlo. And then, for the crumbs, instead of bread, I will use Quaker Oats. Hindi ko na inaano. There. Where's the bread? And then, what else? 3 eggs. Grabe, akala mo, professional
Galit na galit sa itlog
Galit. I hope there's no shell in here. Can I have a spoon? Wait lang, guys. That's okay.